How to use Amazon Prime Video offline. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how to use Amazon Prime Video offline. So to watch Amazon Prime Video offline, you could download titles to your device using the Prime Video app for iOS, Android, or Mac or Windows as well. Simply find a movie or a TV show you want to select and download the icon. So what you want to do is open your Amazon Prime Video application and log in. Now you want to open up the particular CV or the episode that you want to go ahead and download it. Now let's see, this is the one. You just need to go ahead and scroll down and look for the specific one, and you could find the downloaded icon. You just want to click on the download button, and it might take a while, so you just have to be patient enough, and after which you could go ahead and sign in, and that's how you should be able to use Amazon Prime Video offline. So you just have to make sure to download it, and it can only be available for certain days or maybe for a month. So you have to once again restart downloading the other content as well. So that's how you will be able to find Amazon Prime Video offline. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.